Hi, so we're going. This is my black shorts, black top, napang gym ko din, and of course the eyes, yung face ko, and my small bag with my anik. Yes, there's this girl na gusto sumama. Hi, Tata. Baby, tama daw siya. It's too early. It's like 3:30 a.m. So, bye, Tata. Mami, lingon ka.
Hello.
Hi, tita. Daddy, hi. Thank you po. Ipapakita ko sa video.
Also, we would like to thank our following.
Magpa-register at para sa mga walk-in din to claim your tickets. Step 1, register. Then step 2, get your food.
Our first place will receive 3,000 pesos.
Hi, Katita.
Our second place will receive 2,000 pesos. And our third place will receive. Our first place will receive 3,000 pesos together with the printer game from
Exxon. Partner. Okay, nagka-countdown na. Ready na ba, runners?
Ready now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go, Farah!
Yes! Good luck sa mga runners natin!
Masisira din talaga eh. Ito naman tinitingnan nila eh. Ito tinitingnan daw. Hindi pinuksan yun. Nalasahan ko. Nasang ano? I'm super tired. So, video na ako. After, nasa 4 km na tayo. So, km. Wala na kasama ko sila. Second na. And, yung mga kasama is nasa back pa. So, fighting. Guys, look at that. This banana, actually, this rose is so colorful. This is the view. Go. Hi ka po sa camera. Hi tita, where's my mom? Ayan. Hi guys, welcome to my life. Yung number, first pa lang.
Ginaganap sa bawat bayan. At ano po ang ating Leading Carabao Festival na ginanap ang 2023.
Kita. Hi. 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 Hi ka sa cam. Hi ka. Hi. Nasaan si Daddy? Anong naglakad pa? Hi ka. Hi. Ay. Mami, thank you. Daddy, hello ka muna sa cam. Ay, against the light ka. Hi, tita! Hi po! Hi, tita Carol! Hello! Ayan si Daddy. Hindi, doon naman, nabasa lang. Look at that, guys. Guys, we're going home. Tulog ka! Dahil pere. Dahil pere, pabayad.